How to add payment method on your Google account. Now, this process is very easy and quick as long as you follow through step by step, then you should be able to do this. The first things first is, of course, access your Google Play Store and then make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Next thing to do, at the top right portion of your screen, you should be able to see your profile picture that's from your Google account. Now simply tap on that and then go ahead to payments and subscriptions. And here you will have four options, which is going to be payment methods, subscriptions, budget and history, and as well as redeem code. Now choose on payment methods, and then all of the payment methods that you have set up will be visible right here. Now for you to add another payment method to your Google account, just scroll down and on the second field right here, you can add another or extra payment method in here. And that's how you add a payment method into your Google account.